On January 16, 2020, Randy Chester and Christopher Garway appeared before the Georgetown Magistrates Court to answer to the charges of trafficking 22 kilograms of marijuana and 2.740 kilograms of cocaine at John Fernand's Limited, West Armville. The duo were both charged. However, in a twist of events, when the men appeared before Chief Magistrate Ann McLennan via Zoom on Monday to have their matters completed, Chester was found guilty. This was reportedly following an incriminating statement he gave to Kanu officers in which he admitted that he collected a number of salt bags containing the drugs and loaded them on a truck to be taken to the Berbice Bridge where they would be collected. He was represented by attorney-at-law Amora Giddings. Chester, a 24-year-old porter of Kildonan Village, and Garway, a 45-year-old driver of Norton Street Lodge, were allegedly seen and intercepted by the Customs Anti-Narcotic Unit while they were on their way to Berbice with the narcotics in a large rice fertilizer truck. Kanu led evidence in court that Garway was video recorded at the scene after the handover of the drugs to Chester. They led evidence that an identification parade was done where Garway was pointed out and at least two others saw him at the scene. However, the court found that Christopher Garway was not properly identified as the provider of the drugs. After submissions and objections by Garway's attorney Sian Durjan, the court found the evidence presented by Kanu to be unreliable. The court found that the Kanu rank who testified that he had Garway under surveillance before on other operations could not be relied upon due to the inconsistencies and suspicions raised in cross-examination done by Durjan. The court found that the video presented of Mr. Garway only showed him from the side and could not be relied upon as proof. Chief Magistrate McLennan also agreed with Durjan's submissions and found that the identification parade held in which Garway was pointed out by an eyewitness as present at the scene could not be relied upon. The confession statement allegedly given by Garway was also successfully challenged and barred from being submitted into evidence. The chief magistrate then acquitted Garway of the charge. Kanu was represented by its attorney Narisil Yander, who submitted to the court that the street value of the cocaine and marijuana was $6,596,000 Guyana dollars. In accordance with the law, the chief magistrate then fined Chester 3 times the street value of the narcotics found and sentenced him to 3 years imprisonment. For the HGP Nightly News, Amel Griitth.